How to find Dribbble learning promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find Dribbble learning promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on Dribbble learning. When you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Here, you will find different deals and offers that provide discount, so select one that you find best. And a new page will appear on the screen with promo code. Simply copy this code and then tap on redeem on site to open Dribbble learning website for subscription. Once the website is open, log into your account, and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Dribbble learning promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.